Hey, what's up, geeks? Darron here, and in this video, we're going to cover a new component. At least I believe it's a new component. It's called SectionList. I personally have never used SectionList in my life. This will be the first time I've ever used SectionList, and I believe it's going to become very handy when we actually refactor one of our older applications for the company I'm currently working for. We had a meeting earlier today, and the application is about 4.5 years old. So we're going to update it to like the current standard of state management and navigation and a bunch of different things and whatnot. But anyways, I'm going to go to the website, React Native's website, where we can see SectionList and how you use it, because I definitely need to use this as a reference so you can get a feel for how the screen is going to look. This is pretty cool. If you have like something, well, this is what we have. We're going to be using our data. I have a data.js file. We're going to get all the NFC teams, NFC East, West, North, and South. We're going to get those names, those teams to show on the list. And I think this is a pretty cool component. I'm excited about it, so let's get started. So I'm going to go ahead and just import the section list. And I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to grab this item right here. We have this item component, and I'm going to call this, instead of calling it item, I'm going to call it team. I'm going to import my view component and my text component. Right now we have no styling, so let's go ahead and just remove that. Okay, cool. Now I'm going to go ahead and check out what else it has. Section. I'm just going to go ahead and copy what it has here. Paste it in there. I'm going to import. Let's see, import data. Okay, we have that reference team. Team is going to reference title. Set title, we're going to update that to name. Update the prop to name. When we're using any kind of like React Native like flat list or something like that, you always have to make it item. So that's just the way it is. Okay, I'll remove this as well. So I don't have any styling yet. Okay, cool. Okay, so we have everything shown on our screen. So I'm going to go ahead and style this up to make it look somewhat presentable. So first thing I'll style up is actually our section header. So add a view. Call this section header. Man, this is really cool to have something like this. React Native is just continuously getting better. Background color. It's going to be blue. Let me see if there's like I'll say bright, blue bright. Hopefully that's not too ugly. The height, it's going to be 50. Let's make it 40. Width will be 100%. Justified content will be, let's say, center. Let me see how that looks. Let's cut this out. Style. Styles. Why is it not? Section header. I wonder why it gave me so much trouble. So it's not going to let me using this. So I'm going to go ahead and just make it what's the best when I have to actually Google light blue, light bright blue X. I guess with this component you can't reference colors like that. That's pretty new to React Native. So pass that in there. Okay, cool. And now I also will adding left, make it 20, 15. Okay, that works. Now for section, I'll say header text, font, weight, bold, color, white, cool. All right, looking good. We're just going to do the same thing for our team. For our team, I'll go ahead. It's so cool you can make. Hold on, before I even get too excited about that, let me go ahead. Team. So reference styles dot team container. Okay. Heading left 15. Go ahead and make the height and width the same thing. Okay. Margin bottom 20. All right. And I'll also add border, bottom color, make this gray, border, bottom width, it's white. Okay. Now actually, yeah, I'll just keep it like this. This is good enough. Say align item center, just like content center. Okay, that's good enough. So this is basically how you use the section list. And right now we're using our view. We could make this touchable opacity where touchable opacity. Yeah, like I said, we can make this touchable opacity where each one of these teams, by clicking the team, it redirects us to that team website, which is pretty cool. And I think this is I'm glad React Native actually decided to do something like this. Usually I would have to create some kind of like unique component, and my screen would have to have like multiple, basically I have to reference that component multiple times, but this basically simplifies things for me. So I'm glad that this exists. Oh yeah, look at that. You see how it scroll up and at the top is east, and then as I get up higher, west replaces east. Really cool. So they really did some deep thinking into this. Anyways, like, comment, subscribe. Check out this component, and yeah, check out the course, React Native without the bullshit. And yeah, I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.